Hi guys, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can embed your Shopify product on an Elementor website. So I previously created a video where I've shown you guys how to embed products on WordPress, but it wasn't working in Elementor. This video is specifically using Elementor, meaning whoever built website using Elementor plugin in WordPress. So this is my development store and this is the test WordPress store, which is using Elementor. As you can see, it's a blank website which I have created for testing purposes. So now in order to embed products from this development store to the Elementor website, we will need to add in a new sales channel. And for that, you can go to apps.shopify.com/buy-button. That's the link, which I will also add in the YouTube video description. Or you can simply Google Shopify Buy Button sales channel. Both things will take you to this same app, which you will need to install on your development store. So let's install the app. I'm going to click on this app link and make sure that your development store is selected and then click on install. Okay, my buy button sales channel is now activated and installed. Now here I will click on create a buy button. And you can also do that for collection. You can embed the collection as well and the product. I'm going to start with the product and then we'll show you how you can do that with the collection. So let's click on product buy button and let's select which product you want to embed. I'm going to select this drop classic leather wireless charger and then click on select. And here you can see that we have our product showing up. Now there are some styles which you can choose from. That's the basic one where you will just have the add to cart button. Whoever will click on this add to cart button will see a pop-up like this. And once you click on the checkout, it's going to take you to the Shopify checkout. Now you have some of the layouts as well. This one is the classic, which is the default. And this is the full view, which will show all of the images of the product and the add to cart and the product description. I'm going to do the classic one for now. And here is the action, meaning when someone click on add to cart, what actually you want to do. In this case, we have add product to cart. So if someone click on add to cart, it's going to add product to the cart. But you have some other options as well, like open product details, meaning it's going to go to the Shopify page and open the product details. And it also has direct to checkout, meaning it's not going to add the product to the cart. It is going to directly take you to the checkout page, which is a Shopify checkout page from your WordPress website when we will embed this on our Elementor website, right? And here we have different button styling options. So you can adjust the button corners, adjust the button widths, add in the background color and button text. And we do have some other options for the layout, like image size, selecting the colors for the product title and the product pricing. And then we have this option of shopping cart, meaning how the cart should show on the WordPress website, or you can also do that on the Wix and any other website, basically whoever supports HTML code. So now I'm going to generate this code and then embed it on my Elementor website. For that, I'm going to click on next button here. And here we have the code which we will need to add on a WordPress website. Now you can add in on your WordPress website, on your Squarespace website, and on your Wix website as well. We are testing it on our WordPress website. So I'm going to click on copy code and then we will paste it on our Elementor WordPress website. Before doing so, I would like to show you guys the YouTube playlist for Shopify section. So if you are a Shopify store owner and merchant and you want to improve the layout of your Shopify store, I have created free sections just for you guys. All you have to do is just subscribe the channel and check out the playlist by the name of Shopify sections, where you will find all of the different sections completely for free. No newsletter sign up, no paid ads bullshit, all free sections in that playlist, which includes sticky add to cart, decent sales pop-up, stylish product grid, scrolling text, animated circles. There are a lot of sections which you will find in this playlist, so make sure to do check out. Okay, now we will copy this code and now I'm going to go to my Elementor website. This is the blank page just for the testing purposes. So let's click on edit with Elementor. And here I am going to click on this plus sign. If you already have some content on your Elementor page, you're going to click on this plus sign and add in a different flexbox or grid. So let's say flexbox, and then select your structure. I'm going to select with the full width structure here, and then click on this plus sign here. Just search for HTML, and all you have to do is just drag and drop and then paste the code which we copied from our buy button sales channel. So I'm going to paste the code, and you can see that our product is showing up. Now all you have to do is just click on publish, and your product will be showing up on your WordPress website. Now if I click on this preview, which will open up the WordPress website on a new tab, here you go. You can see that our product is now showing up on our WordPress website. Now if I click on add to cart, you can see that our product is added to the cart within the WordPress website. And now if I click on checkout, it's going to take us to the checkout page of the Shopify. So you can see that it's a Shopify checkout where we can simply buy our product. So that's how easy it is to embed your product. Now we're going to test it with the collection as well. So for that, let's go to buy sales channel again. And this is the buy sales channel. So click on exit. I'm going to close the additional tabs here, and then again click on create a buy button, and this time we will test out collection buy button. And here we have the option of selecting a specific collection. Let's select this products collection where I have all of the products. So I'm going to select this and then click on select, and here you can see that we have all of the products showing up in the collection, right? Before embedding this code to the WordPress website, I would like you guys to check out our Shopify app, which we have created for Shopify merchants. So search for big bulk discount Shopify, which will help you boost your average order value. So this is the app which we have created after receiving the feedbacks of hundreds of merchants. So we are a registered Shopify listed partner, and we have worked with more than 100 merchants and helped them with average order value, have helped them with CRO, conversion rate optimization, and found out that adding a volume discount can really help with boosting the sales. And this is the app for adding volume discount, which will help with increasing average order value. Make sure to test this app out. Link will be in the description. Now let's head back to the tutorial. I'm going to close this up. And now we will be embedding this collection to our Elementor website. Now you can again change the action when people click add to cart, whether you want it to add product to the cart or you want it to directly take you to the checkout. In this case, we will select direct to checkout. In the previous example, we tried add product to cart. So in this one, we will check direct to checkout. Now, when someone click on buy now, it's going to take directly to the Shopify checkout, right? And here we have the button styling. Again, you can change the text size, color, button corner, button width based on your theme of your WordPress website, right? And here we have this layout where if you want the image size to be medium, small, or large. I personally like the small one because that way we can have 4 products in a row. Alignment is center, button text buy now. If you want to change the button text, if you want to change the alignment, you can change all of the stuff here. Again, some colors to change for the product title, price, and the variant. And these are some other settings for changing the font size and font family. Now click on next to generate the code. And here, now we will paste it again on our WordPress website to see how our collection looks like. So click on copy code, go back to our edit with Elementor, and I'm going to remove that. And again, click on this plus sign, search for HTML element, drag and drop the HTML element, and then paste the code. There you go. You can see that all our products are showing up now. And if I click on publish, go back to my homepage, you can see that our products are showing up. You can see that the previous product which we added is also still showing up on the cart. So we can simply remove that by clicking on this minus sign here. And we can now add in any of the product to the checkout. Now we selected direct to checkout. So if we click on buy now, it's going to take directly to the checkout, not adding product to the cart. So that's how easy it is to embed your products and collection directly on Elementor website. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to create a similar tutorial for Wix and Squarespace. Until next video, have a great day.